Hey y'all, Birdie's back. So this video is going to be do-it-yourself Clorox wipes. And this is a half of a roll of paper towels. And I found a cup we don't use. I don't think we ever used this cup, so I'm just going to push it in there all the way. And good old Clorox. Figure I probably put a half a cup in there. And then I'll put like a half a cup of water. I don't know how accurate this is, y'all, because this is just my own little experiment. Because you can't find any wipes anywhere out there now. Hopefully I didn't soak it too much, but we'll see. So, and after that, you just slide the little tubey out here. And let's see, where's the beginning? Oh, wow, look at that. That's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. And you got a Clorox wipey.
Cool.
Wow. It's kind of neat.
You made a wipey.
Yeah, look. Look,
Oh.
Look how it comes out just like that. Wow. You just gotta find a lid to it. We have a lid to it. Wow. How about that? Look how easy that was. Look, y'all. You don't even have to, you make your own wipes. Make your own. Make your own wipes. How easy was that? Man, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with myself. Anything we could find, you know, to help each other out is a plus. I'm just trying to figure out, I don't know, the top is around here somewhere for that particular cup. I got some good old wax paper to put over this and just put like a rubber band around here. Alright, what do you think about this? Will you try this? Have you already tried this? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be safe out there, guys. Take care.